Everyone talks about passive income, but nobody explains the math that actually makes you wealthy. So here it is, the real formula. Most people think they need $10,000 a month to be free. Wrong. You only need enough passive income to cover your fixed expenses, not your entire lifestyle. Here's the simple breakdown. Take your monthly non-negotiables: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation. Add them up. For most people, it's between $2,500 and $4,000 a month. Now here's the wealth formula nobody teaches you. If you build even $1,000 of passive income, your required 9 to 5 income drops instantly. At $2,000, you're basically semi-retired. At $3,000, you're financially free, even if you still choose to work. So how do you actually build it? You stack small, realistic streams, not hype. $300 per month from digital products, $500 per month from AI-powered freelance work, $700 per month from affiliate income, $600 per month from YouTube automation or shorts. That's $2,100 a month. Freedom-level money, without needing millions saved. The truth is, passive income doesn't make you rich. But it buys you time, which is what makes people rich. Stop trying to replace your salary. Start replacing your expenses, one stream at a time. That's the passive income math that actually makes you wealthy.